We will carry on with measurement tape in this video. So if you remember, we form the horizontal scale line with water level holes and some projection point with plumb. Now I will choose measure, and you can see our measure is there. With this measure we can measure the distance. With this measurement tape we can measure the distance, but we can control each measurement device from a long distance, but we recommend to interact with these tools in a close interaction. To be close is better to make more accurate measurement. So I'm moving this the measurement tape, and this edge, I'm selecting this edge and putting there. So I'm becoming closer to make fine tuning. Okay, so there are some gaps here, and I'm moving the case of measurement tape to here, and now going here. Okay, just touching to the wall, and the distance. This distance is, as you see, 207.3 centimeter. Okay, we are saying this value to our sketcher, the reporter. The reporter will draw and transfer this value to sketching board. Okay, we are continuing to measure the distance between markers. Fine tuning is important. The students must be very careful. The users must be very careful and must fine tuning. Okay. I think it's okay. Now, this distance is 193 centimeter. Also, we can measure the distance, but if you want to measure the length of the width of the window, actually we forget, but we must add one marker to this point as well. Why? Because I'm approximately finding the same level, but sometimes we measure this distance. It's better to mark every point which you will measure. And now I'm measuring this distance. So I'm checking it from this point. Okay, then come here, and sometimes our edge may get into the wall, but this is virtual system. By entering virtual wall, we can choose our object and take it out. So it's a virtual world. Okay. I think it's okay, a little bit. This distance is 221.6 centimeter. Then choosing this one. So going back and taking, actually our meter is measuring more than 5 meter, I think. So it must be 10 meter length. The measurement tape's length is, I think, 10 meter. So here I'm arranging this edge and the case. So there are some gaps here. Now it's okay. This distance is 292 centimeter. Okay. Now we will measure this distance as well. So I'm measuring this distance by tauging. Okay, by tauging. So it's in the middle, there is no edge. My edge will be the left side of the ball, the left side of the marker. Okay, then check here. It's okay, it's touching the wall. They are in the same line, and I will see this is 325.5 centimeter. So carry on to measure. How long this distance is. Now from this edge, because our previous measurement was up to this point, from this to this point, this marker, the distance between them 422.2 centimeter. So we are saying all this value to the reporter. Reporter is sketching on the board. In the next video, I will show how reporter sketches and transfer these measures to the sketching board. Now, checking. So we are now at the other side. Okay, it's close and it's touching the wall. So we can make accurate measurements, okay, as in perhaps better than in real world here. I'm not sure. 300.2 centimeter. And the next point is I'm pulling this object to me, the measurement tape, and push it forward, then moving there. So taking this side, closer. Okay, it's touching the they are in edge, okay, in the same line with the edge, and okay, from this point to this point, 220.5 centimeter. And the last measurement, when they highlight the edge, we can make measurement. So, you know, the hook of the measurement tape gets in the wall, but I will take it from the wall and getting in the wall, choosing the object and pulling out. It's so easy. That's it. And okay, I think this is okay. This side is okay. When I check it here, we must make fine tuning here as well. And now this is 518.9 centimeter. I think it's clear now how to make measurement with measurement tape. This is a meter. Perhaps here there's three. It says 3 meters, but it's longer than 3 meters. Okay, in the next video, I will show you how to make sketching in this system.